In this video tutorial, we will show you the steps on how to create and add a handwritten signature in Google Docs. In the first step, we will create a signature using Bybrand's free handwritten signature generator. In the second step, we will learn how to add it to a new Google Docs document. Firstly, you need to create your handwritten signature. Go to the Bybrand website, scroll down to the Tools area, and then click on the handwritten signature generator. In this field, type your name to see signature examples. Save your signature as an image by downloading it to your computer. Open your Google Doc and place your cursor where you want to insert your signature. I'll add in fake paragraph, but you can add real content here. For example, a business proposal or quotes. Then navigate to the Insert tab and select Image. Choose Upload from Computer and select the image file of your signature. Your signature will be inserted into your Google Doc. You can adjust the size and placement of your signature by clicking on it and dragging the corners to resize it. You can also click and add your position at the bottom of the image. And that's it. You now know how to create and insert a handwritten signature in Google Docs.